Hi everyone, it's Megan. I hope you're well on the way to getting ready for this session. It's a big session for many of you, especially doing professional experience either at the end of the session or even during the session. I just wanted to quickly walk you through a few things about how the unit will run and about the site and where to find things this session. So you'll find that I post an announcement on Monday morning. So every Monday morning of every week this session, there will be an announcement that comes up. And on that announcement, you'll be able to see your to-do list for the things that you should be doing that week, like on this example here. So it should be really clear what your focus is and exactly what you should do to keep on track in that particular week. Now, if you go to the unit information guide, if you go to the unit content, you'll see you've got the tutorial PowerPoints here. So if you click on that, you'll see that as I'm updating and recording the tutorials, that I'm posting them here. So in this link, so I've gone to unit content, tutorial PowerPoints, you've got the actual PDF of the PowerPoint for each week. But also you can watch the pre-recorded tutorial by clicking here. So those, at the time of recording, at the moment, you can see you've got access to the PDFs for the PowerPoints for week 2, week 3 and week 4. We don't run tutorials in week 1 or week 10 in this, week 11 in this unit. So we've got 8 tutorials. So they'll come up here as I update them, as I record them, which I'm trying to do as quickly as I can, knowing that some of you will be going out early on placement. So the reason that I'm doing this, as I've explained for those of you who have already been on the discussion board, is because students are going out on placement, some of them very early in the session, I'm making the tutorials available pre-recorded as soon as I can, so you have access to them so you can work through the unit at your own pace. What that means is you'll be able to submit your short tasks early. I can give you feedback early. If you want to actually submit your whole assessment with your 3 short tasks early, you can request for me to mark it early, which I will do, and that way you have feedback to continue working through the unit at your pace and submitting before you go out on placement. So it's really important you take advantage of that if you're one of those students affected by the placement taking place during session 2. Even if you're not, my experience with this particular unit is that not many of you make it to the live tutorials. So what we're doing is everyone will have access to these pre-recorded tutorials, but we're going to assign 2 drop-in sessions during the week. And basically those drop-in sessions, we can go through key information from that week's tutorial, or I can answer any questions that you have about that week, or if you're working ahead about content that you've come across at any stage in the unit, we can talk about short task preparation, that type of thing. At this stage, I don't think I'll be recording those drop-in sessions. My reason for that is people will probably come with very particular questions, but we'll see how we go. If you'd like to have them recorded, let me know and I can have a think about that. So you've got your PowerPoint and access to your pre-recorded tutorial here. Also, the actual unit content. So the first tutorial would take place in week 2. And you'll see what I've done is I've actually embedded the link at the beginning of that unit as well. So I'm going to be doing that for each unit where there would normally be a tutorial. So weeks 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. So it's 8 tutorials altogether. So you can just click on that link and it will take you to the pre-recorded tutorial. And it's up to you if you want to watch that before you work through that week's unit content, or if you'd rather do it some other time during the week, but please make sure you watch them, and preferably you would watch them before you come to the drop-in session that week. So you've got some background knowledge of what we've been talking about. So Good luck with everything. I won't be seeing you in week 1, but I will be keeping an close eye on the discussion board. So if you've got any questions, post them there. And I hope it's all going well. I'll chat to you soon.